A very warm and hearty welcome to each and every one of you watching me live on the last lap to AILET 2022 preparation. So BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you this last lap to AILET 2022, and in this session I am going to discuss with you certain questions relating to law of crimes. So are we all ready? Are we all ready to start with the last lap to AILET 2022 Law of Crimes? A very good afternoon to all of you. I can see a lot of known faces. Violet, Harshita, Navya, Jigyasa. A very good afternoon to all of you friends. A very good afternoon to all of you. So in continuation with this very important series that we have started a couple of days back, wherein we are discussing with you certain very important questions, how you should be facing the real question paper. So guys, let's get started. But before I start with today's session, a small request to each and every one of you, requesting each and every one of you to share this session with your friends who all are also preparing for CLAT and other law entrance examination. So people who are preparing for AILET 2022, they should know that this is a very important session from BYJU'S Exam Prep that we have started a couple of days back. Okay, so guys, let's begin with this session. Now, there is a particular legal principle on your screen. There is a particular facts that is given. Read the principle carefully, read the facts carefully. After reading the principle, use the principle on the facts, and then we will have certain questions to answer. An Indian citizen, if he commits an offense which is an offense under the Indian Penal Code in some other country, he is liable to be tried in India. Now, Abhishek is a citizen of India, so he is an Indian citizen, right? He has committed murder in USA, so in some other country he has committed murder. Due to some resonance, it is not an offense in USA. So the act that he has committed in USA is not an offense in USA, but it is an offense in India, right? Let's see. Is he guilty? Is he not guilty? Is he guilty? Is he not guilty? The question is this. The question is precisely, is he liable? Is he not liable? Okay. The correct answer is Abhishek is guilty of murder because since he is an Indian citizen, number one, he is a citizen of India. Number two, he committed an offense in USA. The act is an offense under the IPC. These are the three ingredients given under the principle. All these three ingredients correlate well with the facts. So the correct answer is option A. Very good. All of you have given me the right answer. Muskan, Dharya, Jigyasa, Ali, Anisha, Pinky, Satyam, Ajit, Talha, Vibodh. Very good. Okay. Moving on to the next question. Question number 2. Any person who instigates other person has committed an offense called abatement. The word Bindu instigated Bhaskar. It is very categorically mentioned that Bindu instigated Bhaskar to commit murder of Shubham. Bhaskar, in pursuance of the instigation, has stabbed Shubham. Shubham subsequently recovered from the wound. Right? Let's see the answers. Is Bindu liable? Did he instigate Bhaskar to commit murder of Shubham? The question is simply this. Shubham might have recovered. Shubham might have recovered. There is no question about that. But the question is whether Bindu is guilty or Bindu is not liable. Let's see. Very good. Everyone says option C. Everyone says option C. So option C has to be correct then. Bindu is guilty of instigating Bhaskar to commit murder. Very good. Absolutely. Fantastic. So guys, if you are liking today's session, what are you supposed to do? Press the like button and share this session with your friends who all are also preparing for AILET 2022. Question number 3 is up there on your screen. Now, what is cheating? If you are intentionally, fraudulently inducing someone by showing something which you are not. So, I say I'm an income tax officer and I want to buy a microwave in 5 installments. Now, the fact that I am not an income tax officer means that I am saying something with a wrong intention to fraudulently induce you to deliver me something, right? The microwave over here, right? Am I clear, all of you? Is that clear, all of you? The correct answer is there are 2 things. He firstly said something wrong, that is, he is an income tax officer. Secondly, by portraying himself as income tax officer, he took away something which the shopkeeper would not have given. So the correct answer is option A. The correct answer is option A. Most of you are absolutely correct. All of you are correct. Question number 4. If a person is exciting hatred, contempt or dissatisfaction towards a government established by law, he will be punished with imprisonment for life. Now, what does this man say? This is a government of scoundrels and bootleggers. They deserve to be unseated. Teach them a lesson in the coming election by voting them out of power. Now, what you are saying over here is something in a democratic manner. You are trying to unseat the government by a democratic process, by election. It is the people of the country who will choose their leaders, right? So let's see the answers. Okay, the correct answer is option B. Option B is the right answer. Okay, I think there is some mistake over here in this question. They have said the answer is A. A is not the right answer. A is not the right answer. The right answer is, there's some typographical error which I saw but I could not correct at the last moment. The correct answer is option B. Question number 5. Okay, are we done? Okay. Now, why do you buy a horse? So that the horse can run, can walk, right? Now, if the foot of the horse is bad, or if there is certain defects in the hoof of the horse, then the sole purpose behind buying that horse is vitiated. Am I clear? So you buy a horse for a particular purpose. You are buying a horse for a particular purpose, right? So let's see the correct answer. The correct answer over here is Nishant can avoid the agreement on the discovery of the defect. The correct answer is option A. Correct answer is option A. Okay. It is not option C. It is not option C. Yeah. Yeah. He was silent. Correct. Okay. Is that clear? Moving on to question number 6. an act done by a child between 7 and 12 years of age is not an offense if she is not mature enough to understand the nature and consequence of the action. Now, Amar is 9 years. He finds a gold chain, gives this to his brother, and very importantly, he says to his brother not to tell anyone. Not to tell anyone. Not to tell anyone. Now, the fact when Amar is saying telling his brother not to tell anyone, that means he has the maturity of understanding that what he has done is wrong. Right? The correct answer is Amar guilty of theft, or Rohit is also guilty of theft, or none? The correct answer is option B. Very good, very good. Only Amar is guilty of theft. Rohit is not, because he is less than 7 years. Okay. Question number 7. Question number 7. Very good, very good. Everyone gave me the right answer. Very good. So guys, if you are liking today's session, do press the like button. Okay, there are 55-60 people watching me live and there are only 29-30 likes. Okay, so I think you must also give some effort. For the effort that we are putting in, must at least give 1 or 2 likes. Okay. Preparation to commit an offense is not an offense. After one has prepared to commit an offense, any act done in attempt is itself an offense. So attempt is an offense, preparation is not. Mohit wanted to kill Vikas. He bought a gun and cartridge for committing the murder. He had then searched for Vikas. When he saw Vikas, now this is very important. When he saw Vikas, he loaded his rifle and took aim at Vikas and pulled the trigger. The gun did not fire. Now, the moment you see someone loading the gun, aiming and pulling the trigger also, the gun did not fire. Let's see the correct answer. When does the guilt start? At what point in time does the guilt start? The correct answer is Mohit is guilty of attempt to murder the time he sets out to search Vikas. His preparation is over. His preparation is over when he bought that gun. Anything after you purchase the gun will start with the attempt. Am I clear? Is that clear? Is that clear, all of you? Did you understand this trick? The moment he sets out to search Vikas, that is the point in time his attempt starts. Eight. Okay. So, to be held guilty for a crime, one should have done the act with the intended result. Now, if you are stabbing someone repeatedly with a knife, suppose you are stabbing someone repeatedly with a knife, what is your intention? Now, Pranav was injured, and during certain surgical attention to remove that injured or infected leg, owing to some administration of general anesthesia, he died. Pranav. The question is Vikram guilty of murder or is Vikram not guilty of murder? You have stabbed someone repeatedly. Now, if you are stabbing someone repeatedly, what is your intention? That's very, very important question. The most important question over here is, if you are stabbing someone repeatedly, not once, repeatedly, the word given in the facts is repeatedly, what is your intention? Very good. Everyone has given me the right answer. Vikram is guilty of the murder of Pranav. So guys, when we are solving a particular question, certain things must be kept in your mind. You have to read the principle very carefully. Once you have read the principle, you understand the ingredients of the principle. The ingredients of the principle have to be kept in your mind. After you know the ingredients of the principle, use it on the facts. Is that clear? Am I clear, all of you? Question number 9. Okay, are we done? Nuisance, unlawful interference, right? Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see the options. Is Amar guilty? Yes, Amar is guilty of mischief. Very good. Very good. Very good. All of you have given me the right answer. Every one of you have given me the right answer. Amazing. Amazing. Really proud of you guys that you guys are doing so well. That means you have understood what we have taught for some long time now. So we feel ourselves really happy that we were able to make some difference to some lives of the student. The next question. What is the meaning of theft? Understand the principle. Theft is given if you dishonestly move a property without the permission or consent of the owner. That's what. Read the facts. See whether the ingredients, just see whether the ingredients of the principle can be applied in the facts in such a manner that whether it amounts to theft or does it not amount to theft. Now, can you steal your own goods? Can you steal your own goods? Another important question. But let's see the options. Let's see the options. Ayushi, Satyam, Kazia, okay, a lot of people, okay. Everyone says A. Everyone says option A. Shahid is guilty of theft. That is what you say. Okay. Only one has said, Palak has said option C. Shahid is not guilty of theft, but they will have to pay compensation to the dry cleaner. Okay. The correct answer, dear friends, is definitely option A. Because suppose I go to a shop and I have given my pen to be repaired. I go to a stationery shop, I give my pen for repair. Now, when the shopkeeper is not there, I flick that pen from there. Have I stolen my own pen? Yes, I have. I have stolen my own pen. I have done it. Is that clear? Did you all understand? So, how many of you got 10 out of 10? How many of you got 10 out of 10? How many of you got 10 out of 10? Okay. Okay. Question number 5 once again. Question number 5 once again. Okay. Just a minute. I'll just go back to the slides. Question number 5. A person represents a set of information as real facts despite knowing full well that it is false. Now, Mayank puts a horse on sale. People are coming to see the horse. The horse had a cracked hoof. Hoof means the leg, the foot part by which it. Now, generally, if you are buying a horse, why are you buying that horse? For that to run. The owner cleverly concealed it. Very, very important. The owner cleverly concealed it. Am I clear? If you do not deny it, I will assume that the horse is absolutely perfect. So the correct answer is this agreement is void owing to the fact that there is a defect in the horse itself. There is a defect in the object of the contract itself. Am I clear now? Okay. Question number 7. Okay. Question number 7. Okay. Preparation to commit an offense, and okay, yeah, it's a very simple one. when he bought that gun, the moment he bought that gun, it is, see, preparation is not an offense. It is not an offense. Preparation is not an offense, right? Preparation is not. So the moment you are preparing for to kill someone, it is not an offense. You go to the market to buy a gun, it is not an offense. The moment you set out in search of Vikas, hold the rifle, take him at him, shoot him, the gun did not fire. Very well, there was some problem with the gun, but it was, you have attempted, right? You did attempt. Am I clear? Am I clear now? Am I clear, all of you? Hindi, Hindi. Okay, okay, okay. So guys, I think we did certain questions today. There are a couple of classes that have been aligned. So I'll see you on 31st of May with certain questions on the Constitution of India, same time. So this is the upcoming sessions. Do stay tuned. Do not forget to join us on 19th of June for CLAT analysis and 26th of June for AILET analysis. Do subscribe and press the bell icon. Do follow us on our Instagram, Facebook, and join our Telegram channel. And do not forget to download our app from the Google Play Store. Thank you very, very much. Bye-bye. Take care. Have a great evening ahead. All the very, very best. Thank you.